How to add and set up GoDaddy email to Gmail. Step 1. Log into your Gmail account, click the gear icon at the top right, then click See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. Step 2. Under Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add Mail Account. Enter your full GoDaddy email address. Choose Import Emails from My Other Account and click Next. Now, enter these details: your username, password, POP server, and port. Click Add. Step 3. Gmail will ask you want to be able to send email as your GoDaddy address. Click Yes, then Next step. You must have SMTP server, your port, and then username and password, same as before. Click Add Account. Step 4. You can now send and receive GoDaddy emails directly from Gmail. You can also set it default sender if you prefer using the mail more often. And that's it.